This week's Safety Toolbox talk references what we do every day in our construction world. It's in regard to safety-related means and methods on our projects. You show up on the project, have a little FaceTime with your crew prior to work, perform your safety huddle, and off you go as any other day. We need to ask ourselves, do I find value in the safety task huddle? You know, what I'm doing today, what tools I'll need, what equipment am I operating, what I'm supposed to complete by day's end, and of course, to work safely. To work safely, now we need to ask ourselves this question. Will my task include the use of suspended or supported scaffolds, entering a confined space, entering an excavation, working on a roof, using a ladder maybe, or running a lull, bobcat, or lift, working on a leading edge, offloading heavy materials, working alone, working near a crane and or suspended loads. The list can go on and on depending on which trade we belong to, and then the assigned task to each of us. We may have numerous tasks each day shifting us from one environment to the next in minutes. Do we consider each task prior to beginning that new task? And then the means and methods of performing that new task. These pre-thoughts would be considered your engineering controls. Knowing each piece of equipment and how to safely operate it, knowing each tool you use, knowing how it functions safely, knowing what PPE is required for each new task, knowing proper ergonomics, and then knowing your emergency plan if a crisis occurs. There's so much to consider when working in the construction arena. Our means and methods of performing tasks is truly our lifeline to working in a safe manner and need to be well thought out each day and each task. Your personal safety depends on it, along with your coworkers and those working around you. So let's work smart, let's work safe, let's think about our means and methods of making our jobs easier and safer, and let's have a safe week. Thank you.